Facing surgery for a cancer diagnosis can be a scary process. You might have fears about disfigurement from the surgery if you're having a mastectomy or amputation or head and neck surgery. Or if you're having internal surgery, you may have concerns and really potentially grief about loss of a body part. And you also may be worried about possible side effects and complications of the surgery. We'll address all those concerns using EFT, emotional freedom techniques, tapping in this video, and we'll also combine EFT with color breathing, therapeutic shaking, and self-hypnosis with visualization and imagery. To start, we're going to use a setup phrase and rub on the sore spot on the chest. So the setup phrase is going to be, even though I'm afraid of cancer surgery, I deeply and completely accept myself. So start by finding the sore spot on the middle of your collarbones with your thumbs, then walk down on the ribs, looking for a tender spot between the ribs. And when you find the side that's most sore, you can put the other hand down, and then we're going to say 3 times, even though I'm afraid of cancer surgery, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I'm afraid of cancer surgery, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I'm afraid of cancer surgery, I deeply and completely accept myself. Now take a deep breath in and out. Breathe in your favorite color, a healing color, and then breathe out a color associated with fear. Once you've done that, we're going to start with the actual tapping process using the second, third fingers, beginning in the eyebrow point right here. And just say that short sound bite, which is afraid of cancer surgery, and side of your eye, afraid of cancer surgery, under your eye, afraid of cancer surgery, under your nose, afraid of cancer surgery, on your chin, afraid of cancer surgery, on your collarbone, you can cross over to the other side, afraid of cancer surgery, under your arm, afraid of cancer surgery, below your breast, at the lowest ribs you can find, afraid of cancer surgery, top of your head, afraid of cancer surgery. Deep breath in and out. That was the introductory energize and desensitize steps. And next we're going to move to the awfulize step, which is exaggerating all these fears that you have. So start with the eyebrow point on the other side and say, fear of cancer surgery. Side of your eye, I'm afraid I might die. I'm afraid I might have complications. I'm afraid I'll be disfigured. I'm worried about getting infected. I'm worried about too much bleeding. I'm worried about having a lot of pain after the surgery. And I'm worried that I won't heal properly. I have lots of fears about this cancer surgery. Deep breath in and out. So after the awfulize step, we're going to do the neutralize step, which is go back and forth and have a little argument with yourself about all these issues. So start with back on the original side, afraid of cancer surgery, side of your eye. I'm looking forward to getting the cancer out of my body, under your eye, but what if there's a complication? Well, I'm going to carefully choose a competent surgeon with a good track record. But I'm worried about the anesthesia too. Well, I can use some hypnosis to clear the anesthetic out of my system very quickly after the surgery. I'm worried about bleeding. Well, I'll give myself suggestions that the blood will go elsewhere and not be wasted. And I'm curious to see how smoothly this whole process can go. Deep breath in and out again. Now we're going to focus on what you really want. Switch back to the next side again and say, I want emotional freedom now. I'm letting go of all my concerns. I'm focusing under your eye. I'm focusing on what I really want. Under your nose. I'm mobilizing all my self-healing mechanisms. My body's going to heal quickly after the surgery. I'm letting go of whatever body part is leaving. I'm sending it blessings for having served me so well, and I'm letting go and trusting the process, and I'm going to enjoy healing on the other side of my surgery very quickly. Deep breath in and out. Just keep breathing in and out. Keep the energy moving in and out, and the colors moving as well. So breathe in your favorite color. Let go of any fearful color. And as the colors move down through your arms into your hands, shake your fingers down by your side, and let it go down into your legs. Shake your toes, wiggle your toes, stomp your feet. Let the energy move through you, and the faster you breathe your favorite color, the more rapid you will release any of the fears. Once you've shaken out whatever you need to shake out, let yourself scan your body, looking for any place where you might have some fear stuck. And identify the color in that region, then breathe your favorite healing color down into that area. Then go to your favorite healing place out in nature somewhere. And while you're there, use all 5 of your senses to get connected to that place. And look down on the ground at your feet for a healing object you can pick up off the ground. So just take the first random object you see, hold it in your hand, and it'll be your magic recycling tool. Let the energy of fear drain out of your body into that object, and then release it back to the earth any way you want. Once you've done that, then invite a healing guide to come visit you in your place, either an angel, an ancestor, or a spirit animal who's going to guide you through the surgery. And ask them for some words of wisdom and advice to get you started on the healing path. Once you've communicated with them, then go back into the past before your cancer diagnosis, to a time when you felt really healthy, and soak up real appreciation for your body back then, and assign a color to feeling healthy, and put a colored picture frame around that picture of you in the past, and breathe that color into your body so you're really connected to that feeling of well-being. Put that picture up on the wall to remember, so you remind yourself of what it's like to feel healthy and emotionally balanced. Now we're going to go in our time machine and fast forward to right before right before the surgery, and also to when you first got the diagnosis and found out that you needed the surgery, and your initial reaction to it. And now think of empowering ways to focus yourself to prepare for the surgery. And some simple hypnotic techniques that work extremely well are visualize that you're going to be relaxed going into the surgery. Your body will accept whatever intravenous needles are needed to get you started. The anesthesia is going to work effectively and take effect quickly. And you're also going to note that the blood will leave the part of the body where you're having the surgery and go elsewhere, so it's not wasted during the procedure. You're also going to, as you go to sleep, be thinking of your favorite food that you're going to want when you wake up, because that will help you deal with any nausea that might go on as a result of the anesthetic. If you focus on the food you want when you wake up, your favorite food, that will do the trick for that. And also, you're going to want to pee as soon as possible, and also move your bowels. And once you've done programmed all that into your system, you're going to be set up to recover quickly after the surgery. Now we're going to go into the future and see yourself waking up from the surgery. It's been successful. They've got clean margins on whatever the cancer was, and they've done a wonderful job of reconstructing the wound, and the incision looks good, and you're going to feel comfortable to the maximum amount possible. Your body's going to send the blood back to the area just the right amount to facilitate the healing process and to keep the wound clean. And you're going to be amazed at how fast you recover, and the surgeon will compliment you on how great your recovery is. And you're going to go on to healing and be grateful for whatever lessons you learned from the cancer process and the surgery, and move on with your life. Once you've done that, see yourself successfully recovering after the surgery. Put a color picture frame around that. What color do you associate with successful healing? Breathe that color into your body. Put that picture up on the wall next to the one from the past when you were totally healthy. And so you know where you're going in the future. Then stretch and come on back from that experience. And we'll do one more thing just to project you back into that future frame of reference. 3 simple self-hypnotic steps. Thumb and finger together, squeeze, create some tension, open your eyes wide, take a deep breath, hold it, and then when you're ready, let your hand relax, close your eyes, and blow the breath out, go back into that future frame of success, and see yourself there very quickly using this simple 3-step technique. All right, then come on back from that. And assess fear of cancer surgery. Notice how your attitude may have changed in the last 10 minutes or so. And use this video as often as you need to, especially right the day before the surgery when you're prepping yourself as to how you want to proceed on the going into the surgery and how you want to come out of the surgery. Okay, now I'm going to be. This is the second in a series of cancer EFT videos. There are going to be a few more on dealing with cancer therapies like chemo and radiation, and also alternative therapy choices. And you can go to my website, larryburk.com. There are other videos there for a variety of other issues such as pain, autoimmune issues, grief related to sinusitis. There's weight loss videos and quite a few other ones. And there's also announcements about upcoming workshops, and also other blogs and videos. So blessings for your cancer journey, and tap your way through it.